Innovation ecosystem, and especially science-based innovation ecosystems, are quite complex. They involve multiple actors from different segments and sectors of society. Of course, this gets even more complicated when you try to connect innovation ecosystem from different countries. But the DWIH has been working quite successfully in the last 14 years, bringing scientific and academic actors together from both countries and promoting scientific collaboration, research collaboration between universities. And now the idea is just to focus more on innovation-oriented collaboration and especially think about how to bring science-based innovation to the market in both countries and bring innovation actors together from both countries.
What I've learned from the past couple of days here is that the challenges that Brazil have and Germany have are not too different. We see that we have a lot of great scientific results, but we do not have enough translation and we don't have enough startups. So therefore, we have to discuss what kind of solutions there are, what is working, and then we can learn from each other and hopefully implement solutions that work in one place and the other.
Germany can bring so many interesting things like the cooperation between academia, companies, government. Brazil can as well bring so many interesting things like the whole green assets that we have to offer to the whole world. Nowadays we call Brazil as a global green powerhouse. So this kind of discussion really can facilitate the cooperation between both countries, as well as to facilitate the screening of what each country can offer for the other one. So really trying to bring the best of each country to have really a win-win situation.
If you're looking at the size of the country, the ecosystems of the countries, of course they're different. But if you're looking at the problems the startup ecosystem is having, I think it's quite similar. Because startups and the startup ecosystem is quite volatile when it comes to political decisions, when it comes to the hurdles which are done by external factors. So I'm really looking forward to explore the Brazilian ecosystem more, to understand the Brazilian ecosystem more, also to see and understand the pain points the teams are having here, follow the same ideals of fostering cool innovations which are making the world a better place.
Germany and Brazil, we have a lot of dissimilarities, but a lot of commonalities or similarities also. When we start to compare the ecosystems, some specific characteristics appears. We start to be aware about that, and then we can develop best possibilities and the synergies to create collaborations between the ecosystems.
The ecosystems are not that different if you look at globally what the challenges are that people are facing in terms of startups and having entrepreneurship in academic environments, and coming from very different perspectives just help you and not only understand what's going on, but also give you a global perspective of all of the challenges that we have.
Brazil and Germany have a lot of different laws, different culture, different availability of funds. But in the end, we are dealing with companies and businesses and human beings and entrepreneurs. So there's a lot to learn about how to make this process better from science to businesses. So there's experiences, things that work in Germany that we may adapt to Brazil, things we do in Brazil that may be adapted to Germany.
This panel is part of a bigger project of the German Center for Research and Innovation to intensify collaboration and to connect innovation ecosystems in both countries in order to foster dialogue, to promote exchange. And in the German Center for Research and Innovation, we want to move on from just fostering academic and scientific collaboration onto fostering this relationship between both countries in the area of scientific innovation and helping both countries to promote more science-based innovation, reaching the market and reaching society.